One of the most exciting times in any university journey is when you're first accepted into a degree. It's the start of a new chapter in your life and the opportunities ahead are endless. Once your application has been assessed, you'll receive an email from Griffith with the outcome. Be sure to check your junk folder, as our emails can sometimes end up there. If you've applied for a degree via QTAC, you will receive an offer that you will need to respond to and accept. If you apply directly to Griffith, the offer email may direct you to respond in a specified time frame. Once you're accepted into a degree, congratulations! You'll receive a Welcome to Griffith email that includes your Griffith student ID and access to our student portal, My Griffith. Once you are logged into My Griffith, you will be able to manage your enrolment, complete your orientation, and see all the information relevant to your degree. Before you can click on the Manage Enrolment tab, you will firstly need to complete a pre-enrolment questionnaire. The purpose of this questionnaire is to collect your personal details, including your unique student identifier, USI. If you're eligible, you'll have the opportunity to apply for a government help loan to defer your tuition fees and charges. Start your enrolment preparations by having a look at Griffith's academic calendar and key dates on our website. Here you can view the full year of events and key dates for each trimester, including teaching weeks, study days, exams, and vacations. Enrolling is quite simple, and there are just 3 easy steps to follow. Step 1 is to plan your course, Step 2 is to select your subjects, and Step 3 is to submit your enrolment. You can find out more detail about each of these steps on our website. My Griffith is your own personal student portal. It's your one-stop shop for everything you need to know. See your daily schedule, exam timetable, and grades. If you are working full-time, then we recommend a part-time study load, usually 1 or 2 courses per trimester. For a 12-week course, we recommend allowing 10 to 12 hours per week for study. For a 6-week course, we recommend allowing 25 hours per week for study. On My Griffith, you'll also find information on orientation, how to use the library, study support, information on fees, key dates, support services, and more. Enrolling is a crucial part of your academic journey. Follow the steps in this video and you'll be well on your way to studying at Griffith.